YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Today we're going to be pressing up some customs, I guess you would say, or you should say, for my wife. It's her birthday at the end of this week, and I'm going to surprise her with it once we get to the beach. If you're watching this video, we are on the beach right now, toes up. I might be doing a live, so y'all need to go ahead and follow me in that live. But let's get into this video. So as I spoke earlier, we're going to be pressing up some hoodies or customs for my wife. One of those is something that I seen in the squad. Shout out to Tyrona Skiller for giving me this knowledge. And by the way, while I'm doing shout outs, y'all know I got to shout out the squad. 12 from 12 Gone Apparel /C. Jay Styles from All Things Styles. And Faye, you dig? You dig? Hey, that's the inner core. What's up to the constituents? Back to what I was saying, though, before we even do a cut or an edit. We're going to be pressing on Circle Clothing hoodies. Let me tell y'all a little secret. Stan gave us the keys to success when he gave us that plug. Currently using them right now for my brand. I love the hoodies. That's Circle Clothing hoodie. Y'all go check them out. Hey, yo, visit my guy, Joe, at Hard Hustle Printing /AKA The Vinyl Stand. Go pick up some of that B-Flex, as that is what I'm using today. I love that color right there. I think from the first video I told him, and then I went and purchased, I think, a 5 or 10 yard roll. I love this stuff. The settings and the application instructions will all be on the website, so go visit The Vinyl Stand. And hit those affiliate links down below, y'all. It helps to grow the channel. So, as I mentioned, we're using Circle Clothing hoodies. Once again, gotta say it's my favorite. The reason why is a lot of times with Gildan or some of the other hoodies, this right here, this feel, hands down, it feels premium. The inside, double wall, just like I like it. Very professional. And once they wash, they don't shrink. The inner lining fleece is very soft. So that's why I love Circle Clothing hoodie. I also use Heat Transfer Warehouse Clothing District, and they have District Clothing or District Apparel. That's another great hoodie. If you're looking for blanks to start your own brand with, do your due diligence and go out there and research. You may have to buy a couple of pieces and figure out which one you essentially like the best. If you like it, I'm sure your customers will. Well, at least for hoodies. Hey, you see what time it is. Go get you one of these today. Hit up 12 Gone Apparel. Also go like, comment, and subscribe to that channel. But what I have in my hand is a lint roller. And I believe I've talked about this before. This one's a gang one and it's scented. So it has like this fresh smell to it. But I wanted to show you guys that it's brand new. And it looks like there's nothing on here, right? It's kind of super sticky. But we're gonna go ahead and roll it. Oh, I love that fresh smell. Now remember, you guys seen it with nothing on here at all whatsoever. Now zoom in on that roller. That was a fresh roller, y'all. So there is lint. There's always some type of excess fabric, some type of lint, some type of something that's on your garments. So you want to make sure that you take this and you roll it before you adhere any vinyl to it. It may cause problems in the long run with the actual vinyl sticking to the hoodie. Yes, this stuff can cause problems. And then also, if you're sublimation or doing sublimation, I should say, on a shirt, this will make those little blue marks on your white shirts. Lint. Make sure you get yourself a roller today. So we're getting ready to pre-press the hoodie. You always pre-press your hoodies to get out any moisture. The shirt feels dry or the garment feels dry, but a lot of times there's excess moisture. You want to get that out, so you pre-press. Well, I can't pre-press because my pressure is not adjusted. So we're gonna go ahead, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Make sure I'm going the right way. Now, need to go a little bit more. And the width between the two sides of the hoodie ultimately plays factor. Now they do have heat presses where you can thread the actual garment on. I have yet to get one. I do have the Endura press, but it doesn't have it to where I can thread on. As soon as I get one though, I'll show you guys the difference between having both sides up on the press and then having it threaded on the press. But you need to pre-press all garments. It doesn't have to be a whole 10 seconds, 15 seconds, just enough time for it to alleviate some of that moisture. Now there are separate settings for how you should press this. However, I have to do it my way. But like I said, the applications are all on the vinyl stand. Please go check those out and follow the instructions and then dial in what you think is best for you and what works for you. I'm doing what works for me. I have the actual logo on here, or graphic design, however you guys want to say it. And I'm going 3 inches away from the neck, and I'm making sure that the platen has completely got my whole image. It does. I have adjusted my pressure. I'm going to keep my temp at 320 degrees and press. Now, a lot of times people press once. I'm a fan of the overkill press. I don't care if it's 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 25 seconds, 60 seconds, unless it's sublimation. I always do the overkill press. It's just something that's important to me. Ooh, that's hot. Now, before I take this off the platen and show you guys the finished review, I'm going to go ahead and get into some of the constituents of the squad. It's only right that I shout them out. First, you ain't slick, sucker. I don't know if that's what it says, but his name is You Ain't Slick. If he has a YouTube channel and you do come across this video, please comment in the comment section so I can shout you out properly. But You Ain't Slick from the squad. We appreciate you joining. We appreciate you asking questions and engaging. So I'm going through it. This is live, like real live. You can tell I ain't editing. The next one I'm going to shout out is Wendake Hikai Mori. Okay, I know I just butchered your name, but hey man, you a genius, for real, a real graphic designer. That last one you dropped in the squad where you showed the little Pamela Greer movie and how you get your inspirations and how you draw, we appreciate that, man. Thanks for sharing that knowledge with the group, as everybody wants to know how to cartoonize nowadays. And last but not least, Samuel Isaac. Man, Samuel Isaac is a mentor to me. He's also like a form of a counselor, if you will, in sort of ways. He's been in the game for over 25 years, and he shares knowledge, y'all. And when he talks and open up his mouth, it's wise to pay attention, listen, and grab you a pen and write down whatever it is that he say. Shouts out to you, Samuel Isaac. We appreciate you being in the squad, being a squad constituent. Hey, how that look, y'all? Once again, go visit Heart and Hustle Printing / AKA the Vinyl Stand. Go pick you up some B-Flex today. Hey, y'all, I'm on the beach right now while this video was playing. I just thought I'd let y'all know. I'll see you on the next one.